Today I'm finally going to start learning the Rubik's Cube blindfolded. So I honestly don't know how to solve a blindfolded, so I'm gonna follow a tutorial today. Then next week I'll upload another video telling about my progression and how it's going. So let's just hope by the end of some week I'll probably be able to learn this, but we'll see. So first steps first, I'm gonna follow a tutorial by JPalm, and if you also want to learn blindfolded, then definitely check out his tutorial as well. So let's start. Okay guys, so I finally learned how to solve the, I just learned and I actually made this cube right now with all the letters of memorization I need to do. So I'll start by just scrambling this cube, trying to see if I can solve it. Not blindfolded, like I'll just put it under my desk, and trust me, I am putting it under my desk. And I'm just gonna write the memorization and then I'll see if I can do it. So I'll get a piece of paper to write down all of the letters, so just give me a second. Alright, so I'll just pick this as the buffer piece, and let's see, I need this cube actually because I don't know the letters. So orange, white, so that goes there, which is E. Then that goes to here, C. Then this goes to orange, blue there, which is H. Then that goes, H, and then red, green goes over here, which is B. Then B goes to K, then K goes to what's that, X, then X goes to Q, then Q goes to O, then O goes to S. It's an O. That's not like an O, but, and S is our buffer piece. So is there any piece that I haven't solved actually? Let's just check. Red, is there any flip pieces? I don't think so. So I think I've solved every single piece. Yeah, I'm pretty sure, so we'll see if I cannot. So that's just the edges. Now for the corners, this one goes to F, so F for the corners. Then that goes to red, blue, so that goes there, which is O. Now this one goes here, which is J. This one goes to here, which is B. This one goes to here, which is G. This one goes to blue, so that, so that's S. That is the buffer piece. Have I solved every single piece? 1, 2, 3, for physics. Maybe not. I'm not sure. So let's just check. So that one's already solved. Is there any twisted corners or anything? I'm not sure. Yeah, this one is twisted. No, it's not. No, it's not. So, yeah, I think that's it. So let's see if I can actually solve it. Okay, so I'm just gonna put it under my desk. And trust me, I am putting it under my desk. So first letter is E, which is there. So, how am I supposed to do E again? What's the setup moves? I just forgot. Was it like this? No. LW prime, DW, LW prime. And done. I think I've solved it. Then C, which is that. Why? L2. That's D. Yeah. And then L2. L2, D prime, L2. And then H is there, so that should be easy. Then P is there, so that should also be easy. K is there, so LW, D, LW2, LW2, D prime, LW prime. Then K, yeah, I just did K. What is X? That's X. So I'll just do L2 and then swapping algorithm. Then Q is, where's Q? P, Q, L, wait. There's no Q? Oh yeah, it's right there. Q is that piece. So LW prime, D, LW2. LW2, D prime, LW. Then O is there. So D, no. What was O again? I know O is there, but I just forgot the swapping algorithm for it. So what was it again? No, I don't know what I'm speaking, guys. I know the swapping algorithm, I just don't know the setup moves. O is supposed to be, no, I cannot do that. D2, no, wait, no, I just messed up. Okay, so D2, L prime, DW prime, L. Done. I think I got it. I'm not sure, but we'll just see. So that one is LW prime. No, yeah, LW prime, D prime, LW2. LW2, D. No. I just messed up. Oh no, I messed up. I'll just try just try to do it. F is that, so swapping algorithm. Now moving on to corners, by the way. Then O is, no, I honestly just messed up. O is no. S, no, J. Yeah, J should be easy. Then B. Then G, where's G? That's G. Then S, where's S? Oh, it's on the back. Oh no, I messed up. There we go. And am I solved? Oh no. I honestly just messed up so badly. Oh my god. Yeah. I guess not that bad of a progression, honestly. So I'll just check this off. So orange, which is there, so J. Okay, come on. Then yellow, which is on the bottom, which is V. Then that's V? No. Oh no. I'm an idiot. That's why I messed up. Because I was actually holding the red on top. I'm not sure if I did that on last solve, but let's hold the green on. I mean, green in front. So, now let's try it again. Okay. Alright, so orange is F. Yeah, that's F. Then that is on bottom U. Then that is C. Oh yay, this is much more better. Oh no. Then that is blue, orange. Yeah, that's R. And R is there, so that will be G. Then that will be the buffer piece, which is B. So is there any piece that I haven't solved? Yes. And which piece is that? I'm not sure, so let's see. I solved F, so that's this piece. You know what, I'll just take D. I haven't solved this one. I'll just take D as it. So D, I'll just take D, and then D goes to here, which is D. D goes to here, which is J. J goes to here, which is V again. No, that's V. Okay. And then this one goes to here, which is E. I think I did it right. I'm not sure, but we'll see. Next, this is a J. Just don't mind my handwriting, guys. So next corners. So this is already the buffer piece. So I need to twist the buffer piece. And let's see if there's any twisted corners before I start. So I think this is the only twisted corner I have. So I'll just fix that. So that's the E and E. What's that letter? R. ER. Okay, so we're just going to start off with ER. ER. So there we go. We fixed that corner. Then we're going to start off with this letter because that's the easiest. V. V goes to blue. That was the weirdest song. That is D. D goes to. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm out of frame. I'm really sorry because I'm trying to hold my cube near me. So D is. Where's D? Here, which is G. G. Then that is yellow X, I believe. Yeah. X, and this is white. That was there, which is B, and this is here, which is the red. So P. So I think this is the right one. I'll try to do it. So just wait for me, guys. What's this doing? We live in. Okay. So now I have a setup moves in front of me so that I don't forget. So let's not do it. So I'll put the cube under my desk. Just trust me. You're gonna have to trust me that I'm not seeing it. Alright, so the first letter is F. And F is this. And the the edge piece, like setup moves, is DW prime L. Swapping algorithm. L prime and DW. There we go. Then U is there, so D prime or L2, L2 D, then C, which is that C is a bit difficult. L2 D L2. Okay, then R is, where's R? R is on the back, so that piece. Alright, so R will be just an L and then swapping algorithm. Oh, there we go. And then is G. G's there, so G would go, where would G go? L prime, D, W prime, L. I just messed up. L prime, D, W prime, L. L prime, D, W, L. I'm not sure if I did that right, but I hope I did. Then B. B is the buffer piece. So I just have to do once. Or do I? I'll just do it. I'm not sure though. But then D is that. Then T will go to DW L prime, L DW. Then J is D to L prime DW. Then V is where? Yeah, so D2 L2. D2 L2. Then E. E is there, so L D W prime. No. L D W prime L. I'm not sure if I did that right. Oh no, I messed up the algorithm. I'm messing up so much. Now I'll be doing corners. So for corners, E is the first one, which is there. So E would be just, oh yeah, I have to do this twist. It's a twisted corner. And then R is on the back, so I just messed up. Oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna undo that. Okay, so I'm gonna skip the twisted corner. I'm just gonna skip that because I just messed up. Because I realized you cannot swap with a buffer piece. So let's just skip that. Let's just do V. V is that. So let's just do V. Then T. T is, where's T? T is there. So T is there. So I have to put that there and then do that. Alright. Then G is where? G is there. So F prime and N. Then X is on the bottom. So D2. And then B is R2, I guess. Then P is that. I messed up. I totally messed that up. I'm not getting any successful solves, which I'm kind of not happy with. I'll do one final one, and then I don't want to make this video too long, so I'm just gonna leave it at that. So Okay guys, I think I finished, so yes, I finally got it. That's just without even memorizing. I just have this in front of me, so I'll be practicing throughout this week. I'll try to document it, but I'm not sure if I'll actually get the time to record it. And hope you guys enjoyed this I'm sorry for that camera shake, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next week.